Meet Mr. Thomas, working in a reputed MNC as a senior executive. Few days ago, in a team meeting, the company provided the responsibility of changing in company's website to him. To develop an easy, manageable, SEO-friendly website for their company, he was planning to outsource the WordPress development work to some experts. While searching over the internet, he found Zebra Techies Solution. It is a reputable, award-winning web design and development company in India. He was amazed to know that they have a team of 12 highly skilled and experienced WordPress developers, offers the most captivating WordPress theme development, responsive WordPress templates and e-commerce development. They always follow a strict, streamlined process for project management, WordPress code optimization, WordPress API integration and maintenance. So, without wasting his time, he immediately contacted them and shared his requirements. Now he is very much satisfied to avail their web development service. Are you looking for the same? Contact them now at +91 9,432,929,492. For more information, visit https://zebratechies.com/.